In the infinite depths of space, our galaxy floats in silence. The Milky Way, a colossal world of billions of stars, vast nebulae, and interstellar clouds spinning in an eternal dance. Behind this cosmic beauty, however, another story is being written. Not a story of birth alone, but of a slow transformation toward stillness. For over 13 billion years, our galaxy has been a vast factory of stars. Each cloud of gas that collapsed became a new star, birthing heat and light for generations of planets. But today, according to astronomical calculations, the Milky Way has already consumed most of its cold gas available for star formation. The star-making machine has not stopped, but it has slowed. The universe is running out of fuel, and the galaxy's golden age is fading. Our galaxy, weighing hundreds of billions of times the mass of the Sun, produces only a handful of new stars every year. Each star being born today is like a weak heartbeat in the veins of an aging galaxy. The Milky Way is not dying suddenly, but it is being drained, slowly, quietly, song by song. Every new star is a final echo of a long-forgotten rhythm. But death in space is not always silent. When an old star collapses under its own weight, it explodes in a supernova, a single instant of brilliance brighter than the whole galaxy. In that moment, the star delivers its last message, spreading gas and heavy elements back into the cosmos. Somewhere, in another time, this matter may give birth to new stars and to new worlds. Although calculations suggest such explosions happen every few hundred years, the sky we see today is quiet. The last galactic supernova ever observed from Earth occurred in 1604. That explosion was so bright it lit up the night like a second sun, terrifying the people who saw it and echoing through the pages of history. Since that night, the galaxy has whispered in the dark. Stars may still explode, but they do so far away, hidden behind dust and distance, beyond our eyes. We live inside a galaxy that is not dying in a single moment, but fading slowly, losing its strength, shifting from a roaring star factory into a quieter, more modest phase. Are we the generation that is witnessing the last breaths of our galaxy's golden age? Or is the universe still keeping a few final acts hidden from our view? In the end, the numbers don't tell the whole story. The stars will write the final chapter. And if the birth of stars slows to a stop, the Milky Way will remain, in the heart of darkness, a silent monument to the long cosmic journey it once took.